Tired of making the same breakfast every day. Wanted to try something new. And it turned out so delicious that my daughters finish everything and ask for more. Wash the moong dal 3-4 times and soak it. Once soaked, grind it into a smooth batter, using as little water as possible. Pour the batter into a bowl. Don't waste the water left in the mixer jar. Rinse the jar with a little water and use that in a pan. Add chopped green chili, curry leaves, cumin seeds. Mix well and salt. Stir in 1 cup of semolina. Cook for about 5 minutes. Then switch off the flame. Let the suji mixture cool slightly. Add salt. Knead it into a soft dough. Add this dough to the moong dal batter. It may be a little difficult to mix at first, but sometimes the best recipe comes from a little extra effort. Mix everything well and let the batter rest. Heat oil for a frying. Keep a bowl of water nearby. The batter into donut style vadas and gently drop them into the hot oil. Don't flip the vada as soon as they go into the oil. Let them release on their own first. Then gently turn them for perfectly crispy vada. Fry until they are crispy and golden brown. Serve hot with your favorite chutney. Crispy outside, soft inside, and absolutely delicious.